Hello, friends. Nothing in this world is permanent, always changing. There is happiness and there is a distress. Everything comes on its own accord, according to time, place, and circumstances. No one wants distress, yet it still comes. And everyone wants to be happy forever, yet it also stays for certain amount of time based upon one's karma. Similarly, what is a pleasure for one person, it might be a pain for another. Let's hear a beautiful story. These two shall pass to understand this concept little more. Once a king called upon all of his wise men and asked them, is there a mantra or suggestion which works in every situation, in every circumstance, in every place, and in every time, in every joy, every sorrow, every defeat, and in every victory? One answer for all questions. Something which can help me when none of you is available to advise me. Tell me, is there any mantra? All the wise men were puzzled by the king's question. They thought and thought. After a lengthy discussion, an old man suggested something which is appealed to all of them. They went to the king and gave him something written on paper with a condition that the king was not to see it out of curiosity. Only in extreme danger, when the king find himself alone and there seems to be no way, only then he can see it. The king put the papers under his diamond ring. Sometimes later, a neighboring king attacked the kingdom. King and his army fought bravely but lost the battle. The king had to flee on his horse. The enemies were following him and they were getting closer and closer. Suddenly, the king found himself standing at the end of the road. That road was not going anywhere. Underneath, there was a rocky valley thousands feet deep. If he jumped into it, he would be finished, and he could not return because it was a small road. The sound of enemies' horses were approaching fast. The king became restless. There seemed to be no way. Then suddenly he saw the diamond in his ring and shining in the sun, and he remembered the message hidden in the ring. He opened the diamond and read the message. The message was, "This too shall pass." The king read it again, and again. Suddenly, something struck him. Yes, this too shall pass. Only a few days ago, I was enjoying my kingdom. I was the mightiest of the kings. Yet today, the kingdom and all my pleasure have gone. I am here trying to escape from enemies. Like those days of luxuries have gone, this day of danger too will pass. A calm came on his face. He kept standing there. The place where he was standing was full of natural beauty. He had never known that such a beautiful place was also a part of his kingdom. The revelation of the message had a great effect on him. He relaxed and forgot about those following him. After a few minutes, he realized that the noise of the horses and the enemy coming was receding. They moved into some other part of the mountains and were near him. The king was very brave. He recognized his army and fought again. He defeated the enemy and regained his empire. When he returned to his empire after victory, he was received with much fanfare. The whole capital was rejoicing in the victory. Everyone was in festive mood. Flowers were being showered on King from every house, from every corner. People were dancing and singing. For a moment, King said to himself, I am one of the bravest and greatest king. It is not easy to defeat me. With all the reception and celebration, he saw an ego emerging on him. Suddenly, the diamond of his ring flashed in the sunlight and did him of the message. He opened it and read it again. This too shall pass. He became silent. His face went through a total change. From the egoist, he moved to a state of utter humbleness. If this too is going to pass, it is not yours. The defeat was not yours. The victory is not yours. You are just a watcher. Everything passes by. We are the witness of all this. We are the perceivers. Life comes and goes. Happiness comes and goes. Sorrow comes and goes. As you have read this story, just sit silently and evaluate your own life. This too will pass. Think of the moments of joy and victory in your life. Think of the moment of sorrow and defeat. Are they permanent? They all come and pass away. Life just passes away. I hope that you really enjoy the story. If so, please subscribe my YouTube channel Storytime with Abha Sood. Keep reading. Bye.